It's a grade 4. Oh, is all this the stone that's caused me a grade 4. Oh, hope I'm feeling okay lah. This rope's very bumpy. Stone is very bumpy. So look at all those stones. Oh man. And I still haven't finished eating my lunch yet. Alright. I need to brush out and how to make a way back. Because I'm stucking at MacRitchie Trail. It's a very long journey. Yes, you can tell that. Because there's a lot of blockage. This fence blockage and all those things blockage. I almost get there to Venus Drive car park, but there's no entrance. It's a long way. And somewhere the sun is very hot. Oh man. I'll show you how to get a way back. One slope lah. One journey. So first is I need to go slowly lah. Step 1, go slowly. Check out whether any stones are very sharp and cause me to fail. Yes, but no injuries lah. My foot's fine. Just I wear these thick shoes and new shoes. Yeah, hear all those sounds. Creaking. I think you're sleeping or what? Crickets or some other creatures lah. Okay, and then I'm going forward. I'm see whether I can return back to the original park or MacRitchie or Bukit Timah Nature Reserve or Rifle Range or whatever. So slowly to check out the steps below. That's one thing. Because I didn't focus the steps just now. So now I see any spikes or stones or things that cause to be very uneven. Yeah. See, I got not one stone. So instead of going walk, I'm going to take a jeep, a normal jeep. Shit. Like in Jurassic Park. Feels like I'm all in Jurassic Park and stuck in the maze. So it's then hop here, but I guess it's around like covered more than 5 kilometers through and fro. So I'm heading to the nearest route to go there all the way outside before I have my late lunch. Yeah. It's pretty a long journey. Yes, you can see the people walking there. Walao. Shoes give me a grade 4. This is a stone, a bumpy stone. You have to check out, observe the stone slowly. Because if I'm not focused, then I'll trip down and fall and injure myself. So, this is going to retrieve top wall. Actually, all I can say is now at the Jurong Tower, Central National Nature Reserve. So I'm heading back to Rifle Range. Either one of them. I already passed along already. I already passed from MacRitchie and here. Yeah, I have to turn left to route to Singapore Island Country Club. If not, I turn to reference link. Reference link. Okay. So, Julantong Tower 400 meters and Bukit Timah Nature Reserve 5.4 kilometers and MacRitchie Reservoir Park 5.4 kilometers. So I will cover the final 5.4 kilometers. so I get to get going. It's okay that I have my lunch late, but once a while only, because I need to burn calories and lose weight. That's a main goal. So now it's already 5 minutes past. So it's a way to get back, to find my way home. Yes. So it's still on the maze, and it takes about approximately 10 minutes lah, 10 or more. So if it's fast as I could, then it will be the shorter time lah, shorter duration. So I have to target 10 minutes lah, at least 10 minutes to reach back there. So now it's 5 kilometers ahead to the main road. So go slowly, or if there's no bumpy, then I can walk faster, go faster. So it's not bumpy anymore, all this more can go through. But I'm feeling a bit impatient now because lunch is still waiting. Oh, we back to bumpy stone. This is the hardest, bumpiest road. So it takes that I'm still succeeding, but very first time to travel back here is really true, because last few years I think I walked there until I didn't cover the whole road lah, along MacRitchie Trail. So no creatures, it's still a safe journey, but the only problem is the stones that caused me to fall unevenly. Yeah. So now it's 5 kilometers. You can see 5 kilometers already. So still traveling fast enough. I'm going back there, and that is a two-way road. It shows that one is focusing to MacRitchie Reservoir, the other one is focusing to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. So for my place, I would think is MacRitchie Reservoir Park. So I'm going to there because there is a bus heading to my home directly lah. So because I'm travel is from MacRitchie Reservoir Park, so now I want to head back there because it's good that I have a experience more than 10 kilometers of journey. It's a good goal, and I'm through on the way back. That's 5.1 kilometers away. So I try to get going faster. I hope I can eat lunch around 3 something. So once a while, yeah. And some more I'm carrying a backpack worth 5 kgs, but not tired lah. So you can get going, and you can see Lontong Hut. This is the way that I've been before. No, it's different way. It's a different way. So I'm heading to the next road and see what happens. Okay, now at Lontong Tower. So I'm covered Jelongtong Tower, and now I'm heading uh, to back to MacRitchie Reservoir Park. So probably a lot journey. I think a long journey, still a long journey. So I have to pass by Singapore Island Country Club, then go to this Jering Boardwalk and MacRitchie Reservoir as well, and then I return back there to Upper Thomson. So I guess it's only left how many 4.5 kilometers to MacRitchie Reservoir Park. So yes, you can see a long trail because I've been there on top, but I don't waste my time going up there lah because it's very late here. So to travel, to move along to this way. I guess it's this way. Yes, but no entry. No entry. I think I will bypass there. I hope that the journey I made is correct. So now next is I'm finding a way to get to MacRitchie Reservoir Park. So I don't focus on Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. So the next thing is I'm going through, I focus through whether I can find the right way that I can remember and still we can recall. Yeah. Hopefully it's a good way. I think so. It's the right way that made it. I think so. I'm not so sure if I made the right way. But we'll see first lah. After 5 minutes. Yeah. Oh, the battery is running out. So I get to get a power bank to recharge the battery. Yes. So sorry. Apologies for spending a long time in this park nature and this park journey because I didn't know that the MacRitchie Nature Trail is very long. It takes about hours to go through and fro. Yeah, go through and fro. Yeah, so it's only 3% of battery, so I get to charge. If not, I will black out here. Okay, time to charge already, and I have to close my bag first because I did it lock before it's dropping something. So drive running away here. Okay, let's continue. I stand up for a few minutes. Yeah, 4 kilometers just but not sure it's the right way or not. Because I hope if there is a right way to get back here lah. If not, they will have a extra sign to locate the right journey before other people lose the way. It's a haunted area if it's at night, but not as haunted as the real ghost nature. Yeah, no monsters here, but there's animals and insects. Yes. Wow, see a lot of leaves coming there. Oh man, all the leaves coming through here. Am I going to the right way? No. Oh. So I have to slowly walk slowly lah, cause this stones are very bumpy. Yes. I see monkeys are climbing down there lah. Right. Go back. Now, how many kilometers? Now it's the point there. Oh, I'm hovering almost like 70%. 70% of completed journey, or 75. So I guess it's around 3 kilometers plus lah. So still on the way. More than that. Now I can walk faster because of small stones. Not bad, damn puppy here. Not bumpy here. I'm so sorry lah. I speak that my voice like aching. So everything is happening now. No one's walking back here. It's a really odd. Really odd here. Yes. Something new is on this road, but it's a long road. It's a long journey. No bridge here, so it's different. Oh shit. It's getting hot here and I'm sweating. Oh man, I'm tired. Oh. Oh yeah. Take it. Is this the correct way to get back to MacRitchie Reservoir Park?
Yeah, here is our golf course.
Oh my gosh. Oh, luckily I have one people. Oh no. Oh man. I got to the wrong route. Shit. Golf course. Ah, llama. Okay. I will to be continued here lah. Take care. I hope I can find my way back.